BeeBusinessBee fans, and look what's arrived! My merch has arrived, and how excited I am! Give me a cheer!
Yeah!
Hey, right, so let's get on with the exciting bit of opening my merch. Everybody's watching me now. So here we go. He's getting the merch. Oh! I get excited. I can see another box. He's making hard work of this. They don't do this on YouTube normally. It works first time. Oh! Look at this. Oh! The BeeBusinessBee merch has arrived. And what's inside my merch box? He says, opening it up really excitedly. Will this be what I think it is? Oh, this is what I'm excited. Are you excited, BeeBusinessBee fans? Because I know I am. I'm buzzing for business. And look at this. The BeeBusinessBee mug with Mark is buzzing for business. What a mug. You want to get your hands on this merch? Check out the website because links will be on there soon. And remember, until next time, make sure you keep it BeeBusinessBee and keep buzzing.